Alright, it's been a while since I last did a wash here in Terrell, so today we're gonna do Cowboy Car Wash. They have both a tunnel and an in-bay automatic. So, well, it looks like there's a truck parked in the in-bay, which is a Vector, and that was only installed, I don't know, a few years ago, so. Wait for attendant to load. I didn't see any wash options anywhere, did I? Hi, doing all right.
You want just a wash today?
Yes, just a single wash. So okay. What are your options?
The 8 and the 12, you would just go through the 18 and the 22. We would hand dry and put Armor All in your tires.
Let's see. Let's do the 12 today. $12.
You're good to go. Have a good day.
Thank you.
3.
I'm also not sure what kind of tunnel equipment we have here, so once again, we're about to find out. Alright, so I have to wait for attendance. I think. It said please wait for attendance to load. Oh, yeah, there she comes. Yeah, some mini tunnel here, so. It looks like old Sonny's to me. Yeah, there's no pay station for the Vector either. To be fair, I did pick the second bottom wash. I don't know why, I just kind of did. So, I don't really need the extra stuff anyway. Seems like, well, if you like look on Google Maps of this place, the Vector was put in a few years ago and they just put it in, it didn't last long, and now it's just sitting there.
Do you have it in neutral?
Yes, I do.
Hey, you're from Colorado. Careful driving around here.
I'm alright now. I think that's the second comment I've gotten. A wash operator is seeing my license plate. Oh wow, 2 of the brushes are ratchet strapped to the wall. That's interesting. Dark in here. I'm going to crank up the exposure a little bit. Yeah, those 2 brushes are bolted to the wall. It's like, that's a little weird. It looks like Sonny's, but I don't know. It looks really old. The top brush isn't lowering on this package. Oh well. But it's spinning though, so I don't know what that's about. These brushes don't contour that well. Hey, that's a Belanger motor. That's interesting. Off the conveyor and the light didn't go. A wash operator is seeing my license plate. Oh wow, 2 of the brushes are ratchet strapped to the wall. That's interesting. Dark in here. I'm going to crank up the exposure a little bit. Yeah, those 2 brushes are bolted to the wall. It's like, that's a little weird. It looks like Sonny's, but I don't know. It looks really old. The top brush isn't lowering on this package. Oh well. But it's spinning though, so I don't know what that's about. These brushes don't contour that well. Hey, that's a Belanger motor. That's interesting. the conveyor and the light didn't go. Oh, it seemed okay. Trying not to go into the grass here, but there's the Vector that was put in a few years ago. And the dryers are, yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, it's not being used. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly flip out my mirror. So thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed, and that'll be it.